Hey, what's going on? It's your boy J-Hen with J-Hen Travel and Life, coming to you guys with another Amazon unboxing, you guys. I do Amazon unboxings or unboxings here on my YouTube channel, as well as I talk about travel, life. The things you see right here in this unboxing will be left right down in the description down below. So we're checking it out, seeing what we got here in this Amazon box right here. So as you can see, we got 3 boxes right here inside the bag on today. Let's check it out, you guys, and see what we got. All right, so the first thing we have right here is a napkin holder. It can come in different colors. I think I got like the oak and metal colors are the colors that I got. So it's just a napkin holder right here. This is something we're going to use in the kitchen. You know, we normally use like the paper towels, but we're going to switch it up a little bit too, so that way we can use paper towels and use something else. I do like this nice box, this nice sleek box that it comes in. Even got some type of message back here on the back. Really nice, really nice box here. They made a real nice box, but this is something that's real simple. And it should be ready to use right off the box. Easy, ready to use. Look at this. You just pull it right out and bam, you got this nice paper towel holder. Or I guess you could use it for whatever you want to use it for. But it is an actual paper towel or napkin holder. We're going to use this right in our kitchen. So then that way, you know, as you're cooking, drying your hands or something, or if you just need a paper towel, you can just, you know, grab it right here on the go. Wow, it's gonna come in nice and handy. Get yours. Check the description down below, you guys. Check the description down below. It's nice, durable, metal, wood, long lasting, no issues, no problem. Hit the like button. Like, comment, share, subscribe. You can get it in different colors, so just check the description down below. All right, next up, we got this right here. I don't even remember what this is. Let me see. I don't know what this could be, you guys. I'm going to be just as surprised as you guys are until I open it up. I mean, I ordered it, so, but I ordered a whole lot of stuff, so I just don't know what would be in here unlabeled. Okay, so this is going with my Halloween costume, you guys. I ordered this clown wig, you guys. Yeah, this clown wig right here. Nice clown wig. I mean, I guess you could use it for whatever you want. Damn, it looks kind of little. Dang, it looks kind of little, y'all. But I guess it does stretch on the inside. It's got to go on my big... Never mind, pause, you know. Got to go on my head, y'all. Let's see, for this Halloween, I'm going to be out here. This going with my costume, y'all. Got to get it right. Get it right. I'm going to be a scary clown out here. So keep watching. I'm going to put that video up as well. But I got this right here off of Amazon, you guys. Check the description down below if you want to get you one of these clown wigs or whatever you want to wear with type of wigs. But I got mine to wear this Halloween with my costume. It was cheap. Damn, you see a few of the little hairs down. Oh, I'm going to have to vacuum my floor. You see some of the hairs that's coming off of it? Damn, it's shedding like crazy. But I guess it'll make it through Halloween. I just won't touch it, you know, until I'm outside out the house and got it on my head. But if you want to get you one, go ahead. Check that description down below. I'm going to say just don't touch it too much, you know. Just don't touch it because I see it's already, you know, it's shedding a little bit. So I ain't going to touch it too much, y'all. But it's going to work for my costume, y'all. My costume going to be right. All right, like, comment, subscribe. Check you guys out later on, or let's see what else we got in this box, you guys. All right, let's see what else we got in this box. So I also got this USB Type-C accessory cord right here. I got this cord. It's 10 feet long, so it's supposed to be very durable. It has this little Velcro strap around it, so you can't, I didn't pull it off, but it does wrap right around here, so you can keep the cord nice, neat, keep it together so it don't get all tangled up. But this is pretty long. I got this. It's supposed to be charging as well as data transfer. So what I got this for, I got this cord to use with my GoPro Hero 11, so that way I can use my GoPro Hero 11 as a webcam. So I wanted some extra space, in case I wanted to hardwire my GoPro to my laptop. I got this cord right here, and that's what I'm gonna use this for. Check the description down below to get you a 10-foot Type-C USB connecting cable cord.